name's Madison, but I like to go by Maddie. To start off, something that I take pride in is my ability to draw. The picture in the bottom middle are some projects that I've done. Those are from a while ago, but I would really like to get back into it. Next, something that I would take to a holiday party is like this dessert tray that I have here. I like desserts, and I think it's nice to have a lot of options, so you could just go up and grab something real quick instead of having to make a whole plate. My hobbies and interests, I like watching Netflix. Those are some of my favorite shows. And I also love shopping. And then the reason I am taking this class is I'm hoping to get into the nursing program, and this is required for that. And then my biggest worry for this class is just the workload. Not necessarily this class on its own, but along with my other classes. For those all together, I am a little worried about, especially because I'm also taking microbiology.